was freezing cold and windy, and the land was flat, but still, the glacier was spectacular.
The morning starts with us leaving Fjallsárlón and driving towards Fjallsárlón, another ice tongue coming from the huge glacier called Vatnajökull, the biggest glacier in Europe for volume. A quick coffee at the parking area helps us warming up before a short but rather slow walk to the lake and the glacier in the back. The wind is so strong that it's really difficult to move forward. The night is so flat that it's almost frustrating trying to get something out of the location. Anyways, like the day before, focusing on details, doesn't matter if close or far away, helps getting in the mood.
It is freezing cold and windy, and the land was flat, but still, the glacier was spectacular. I don't know if
Once left Fjallsárlón, the wind keeps getting stronger, the air colder, and we find ourselves in a black strip of asphalt surrounded by white fields. Our next destination is another well-known spot in Iceland, the waterfall area where both Seljalandsfoss and Skógafoss are located. An unexpected surprise, at least for me, is the waterfall called Gljúfrabúi, located right next to Seljalandsfoss. An almost hidden waterfall you can access only through a narrow opening in the rock formation. I wasn't able to take any picture worth being shared, but it doesn't matter. It was awesome to be there anyways. We arrived at Skógafoss almost too late, with the last bits of light available, got just one shot and then headed to the hotel for dinner and a quick editing session before going to bed. following morning, we headed towards the Black Beach in Vik. But before getting there, we decided to stop in a lighthouse I will never be able to pronounce. It was windy and cold, but the view from the lighthouse was spectacular. Even better, but after we got there, the light got spectacular as well. An abstract shot from the other side of the hill, and finally, Vik. Once done with Vik, we moved towards the famous plane wreck. The wind was incredibly strong, so our decision to walk instead of using the shuttle bus turned the whole thing in an almost epic adventure. Despite the weather conditions, the area was crowded, therefore it was a challenge to shoot trying to have no human presence in the shot. The afternoon is not done yet. A great light is waiting for us at Skógafoss and Seljalandsfoss.